Today we got a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Entitled Bully at Police Station, Hell Breaks Loose.
February 6th, 2025, police responded to a residence for a call of a domestic dispute.
Good, I'm fine. Are you the one that called?
My mom just was on the phone.
Okay.
Brooklyn.
How you doing? She's up at the police department.
I know. She ran up on my daughter, and I had to literally physically.
In the bathroom up here?
Well, no. So it started in the bathroom because she's sitting in the doorway. I literally just woke up. I stay tonight. So me and my kids are in transition right now from moving from one place to another.
Okay.
My mom lives here. So we woke up. They share a bathroom here. This is not where I would prefer to be honest.
No, we're here constantly.
I know, I don't want to be here, but my mom lives here, okay? Like, this is not where I want to be. But, anyways, I've turned my cheek many a times to this girl, but when my kids get involved,
Sure.
It's a whole nother level.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've tried to help this girl, I've tried to lead her to the Lord. I mean, I've done it all with this girl. So she's literally sitting on the in the doorway of the bathroom so nobody can get in, like waiting to start something, waiting for somebody to walk in. So I come out and I go into my mom's room, and as I walk past, I said, "Good morning." She's like, "Yeah, good morning." Good morning, just hostile. And I was like, oh, here we go.
Yeah.
So I was like, I said, "Come on, girls, stand up. Come on, let's go so we can get in the bathroom and get dressed." And she was like, "You ain't getting in here," as I'm talking to my kids. And I'm like, oh my God. So I walked back out. I was like, "Brooklyn, can you please, can we get in there?" And she's like, "You ain't coming in here." She's like, "Look at you." She's like, "What is that? Are you pregnant?" And she's like, "Look at your teeth." And then I'm like, okay. I said, "Brooklyn, are you on drugs?" Like, because there are people. She's like, "No, look at you. You're a crackhead." I'm like, "Girl, I don't even smoke weed. Like, I don't even have sex. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm literally, like."
So is this your daughter?
Yes.
Did she threaten her or anything? Or?
She came up to me with her hand raised.
Okay.
Like, she was going to.
So do you want to? I mean, we got no problem writing her a citation for disorderly conduct. I'll just have you fill out a written statement.
My
of
daughter.
What exactly happened?
Okay.
So I did have to make physical contact with her. I'm not going to lie to you.
Go ahead and
my
write her for
daughter-
disorderly conduct. I'll be getting a statement from the two here.
Yeah, she was, because I had to follow her around the corner because my daughter was, like, ran towards my daughter like she was going to hit her. My daughter's 13. She looks like she's not. But she's 13. This is like the sweetest soul right here.
County, copy.
And
I was just going to get close.
Well, because she was like, she was like standing there, she was like, "Just go," and then she did walk away finally, and then she said something about touching her kids. Like,
she's like, "You molest your children." I'm like, "You're a pedophile."
She was into it with the neighbors here just the other day.
Dude, what are you talking about? And then she ran towards my daughter with her hand raised, like she was going to hit my daughter.
Okay.
So I'm not going to, I muffed her, and I was like,
we're just going to start.
I didn't hit her, but I muffed her down the stairs and was like, "Hey."
You're good. Well, I mean, you got the right to defend yourself and to defend her.
Oh, no. I could have done worse to her, but I was like, no, I'm not here to do that. I'm not here to hurt her. But don't.
I'm going to go out to my car and I'm going to get 2 pieces of paper. It's basically a written statement. And since she's, juvenile, I'll have both of you guys fill. You don't have a problem with her filling one out, right?
No.
I got to ask since she's juvenile. So I'm going to go ahead and have you write one out. And then I'll have you write one out. Basically, you're just going to write on a piece of paper exactly what occurred. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay, just write on a piece of paper exactly what occurred.
Heck is this guy?
No, you're good. And then you can sign it or whatever. And then we'll put that with the report since we weren't here. You guys are the ones that, witnessed it. It's kind of like if you tell me and then I do it, then I want it to be 100% accurate, so I want it to be coming from you guys, okay? So I'll go get them. They're in the back of my car. You got a pencil or a pen, sit down somewhere, and you can fill it out.
Yeah.
Okay. You can do it inside if you want. I'll wait out here for you, whatever. Let me go grab them.
All right, Brooklyn. Okay, so you are under arrest for disorderly conduct.
I didn't have disorderly conduct, and the sheriff is coming.
Yes, ma'am. I know he is.
No.
And you're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
I have it on video.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
My sergeant's over there and you're under
You
arrest.
cannot arrest me. I did not do
ma'am.
anything wrong. No, not until I talk to the sheriff. No, it's on
So
video.
we're going to in just a minute.
Well, you're not going to. I can tell you that right
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
No, because I didn't do anything wrong. Nope. And they're here. This isn't a game. You can't arrest me for not doing anything wrong.
I literally know. I literally got smacked in the face. I woke up. I'm not under arrest. I came to the police station to make a report about what happened to me because I went to go to the bathroom, and as soon as I came out of the bathroom, the big lady started screaming at me. Okay, wait until that officer comes in here because you will not be putting me under arrest.
That's our major. That's Deputy Chief.
That's fine.
That's Deputy Chief Louisville, and you still are under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
No, I'm not. I can tell you that right now. Because I didn't do anything wrong. I came there to make a report about getting smacked in the face.
Okay.
No, not until he comes.
You're going with her?
No, I'm not.
You're under arrest, Brooklyn.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
not without my Bible. No, the fuck I'm not going with her. I can tell you that right now. No, I didn't do anything wrong. She smacked me in the face. No, I got smacked. I went to go to make her. I want to talk to you because it's all on his video, and he needs to get fired for what he just did. He's lying. Okay, I have it all on video. I don't mind showing you. Okay, what? Then you have nothing to do with this. I'm not talking to you. No, listen.
You said you're under arrest.
But I wouldn't. No, you cannot legally arrest me without my Bible. I'm not going in there without my Bible. No.
Without my Bible.
I'm not going there without my Bible. No.
Brooklyn,
No.
you're either
I didn't
in
do.
there or I'm dragging you in there.
You see this?
That's an attorney. Has nothing to do with us.
Okay, well, I'm not going in. This is on video. Don't touch me. I didn't legally do anything wrong.
Brooklyn, you're under arrest.
I didn't do anything wrong, and you know this.
Brooklyn,
No, I did not do anything wrong. I want my Bible. I want my Bible. Stop. Did you see this?
City Corrections has a subject
Get off
walking her to jail.
Get off of me. Get off of me. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything to get your nasty ass off of me. You're nasty.
Come on, get it together. Get it together.
Stand by that. Yeah. Stand by that.
In the ass. And you know that shit. Okay? I'm calling my mom. I don't want to get home.
Yes, you are.
Then can I call my mom?
Give me your phone.
No, it has evidence on it.
Give me your phone.
No, it has evidence on
in
it.
there with your phone.
Why? I can't call the mayor.
Give me your phone.
No.
Come on.
Hey, you see this? They're illegally arresting me. I didn't do anything wrong. Don't put me in this. Put me in the actual cell.
No, give me your phone.
No, I'll give it to him.
Give
I'll give it to you. I'm not giving it. No, you ain't getting nothing.
Here you go.
Thank
Take
you.
care of it.
Hey.
Yep, no, it's all good.
No, I have to talk to
Okay,
you.
that's fine.
May I speak to you, please?
In a minute. Give me the phone.
You're not touching the phone.
Okay,
She's not.
Give me the phone. She's not.
Hey, I need to speak to
We'll
you.
talk in a minute.
No, can you talk to me now? They took my
They'll
Bible.
do their job.
They're not. I didn't do anything wrong.
They'll do
I
their
just want to
job.
go. I went to go make the police report.
Get in there.
Your glasses, honey. How you gonna see?
Thank you.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
What the heck? I mean, honestly, their brains are fried. I mean, well, not their brains, but her brain. Her brain is cooked. It's over with. I mean, I don't understand. I don't even get it. Like, is that the mom's, like, is that the mom's, like, neighbor or something? Or does that live with the mom or something? Like, I don't even, because she's staying there because her mom lives there or whatever. But who's Brooklyn to the mom? Like, how do they even cross paths? Like, I don't, or is this like a common living place where they share the bathroom and all that stuff? Like, I'm so confused about that part, but yeah, it is what it is, man. She got what, she get what she deserved, man. Go to jail. You trying to raise your hand at a little kid, man? That ain't your kid. The mom had every right to get her together. You hear me? Nobody gonna put their hand on my kid but me. No, but yeah. All right. I get officers a 5. They did their thing. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.